Welcome to the Trash to Treasures program. I'm Miss Gale from the Empowerment Factory. The Empowerment Factory is a nonprofit dedicated to giving youth the skills they need to lead happier, healthier, more empowered lives. In this 3-day Trash to Treasures program, we will start with a series of remote learning classes and then join together in person for our last session, where we will assemble the components we have made into artwork. We will be going on an adventure to explore how when you recycle, reduce, and reuse things from our everyday life, you make a big difference for our community and the planet. Currently, the state's only landfill will reach capacity in the year 2034. You can make a difference by reducing the amount of waste pouring into the state's landfill. Your artwork will be a public statement about reusing, recycling, and reducing waste. Every person can make a difference in the world around them.